The Thoughtluck is an opportunity for teachers to share ideas that they have to changes that could potentially happen in the building for the benefit of students or staff.
The Thoughtluck is an opportunity for educators to think creatively about meeting the needs of all of our students and to really look at resources and supports in a very unique way outside of what we normally do in education.
The Thoughtluck was really about giving people an opportunity to talk about a problem, talk about a solution, and putting people collaboratively together to really come up with different ideas and solutions to solving whether they were known or unknown problems to many people in the district.
A lot of times as educators, we grew up knowing the right answer. We knew the direction we were supposed to go. And with Education Today and where our students were creating ideas and lessons and projects for them for careers and futures that we don't even have defined yet. So as educators, this has really stretched us to really think instead of just an open-ended, I want this and this is what it's going to do. We came in saying, I have an idea about this, and we worked together to really broaden the outreach for it, and as educators learned how to think outside of the box creatively to meet the needs of our students.
What you put into the Thoughtluck may not be what comes out of the Thoughtluck. I think that's the beauty of this, because it is such a collaborative process and it involves everybody.
I think anytime you can listen to the voice of staff or students, it's going to help us, create a more positive climate, because people feel like their ideas are valued if we can make some positive moves and change on them.
The whole process from start to finish really from the ground up incorporates everyone in our organization. There is very little opportunity throughout the school year that everyone gets a say in something across the Austin Public Schools, pre-K through age 21. So as an educator, as a custodian, as a secretary, as a principal, as a central office administrator, you got to have an equal say in something that was going to make our district better and better serve our students. And so even if it's just getting on and voting, your voice mattered and it counted, and it's going to benefit the Austin Public Schools and community as a whole.
It was really eye-opening for me to hear about some of the solutions that people had for different issues that I didn't even know were issues or potential issues in our future. So it was just really great to open up dialogue and to be able to start brainstorming around how to make this district better.
Schools are very busy places, and when we have an opportunity to step back and have an opportunity to really listen to what people have as ideas, there's some things that really we can change quickly that can make a positive impact.
I think that says a lot about us in public schools, that we're not willing to just sit back and be complacent. We're willing to give people a voice, give people an opportunity to brainstorm, collaborate, and come up with amazing ideas that will really take us into the next century.
I think it's a great opportunity for our staff to be able to share ideas, and so that we know what they're thinking, and as we move forward, we can really listen to what they're saying and do some significant planning around it to make sure that this is the best place we can be.